mainstream medicine acknowledging that this even exists?
No, they think you're mentally ill. They call it parasitosis, parapsychosis or something like that. It basically means that you're imagining that you have parasites in you. What Morgellons is, it's a cross-domain species, George. They use insects, they use fungi, and they use plants. And they've taken each of this domain and they've created this spore. And this spore is also put into these chemtrails. It's the only thing we can figure out how they're coming down. And these spores are inhaled, and almost everybody's infected with this now. The problem is that your body's been contaminated with heavy metals, like through vaccines. You're in a situation where you basically are very susceptible to the Morgellons, and they can actually manifest and come out through your skin because your body can't control it. But the problem with it is, if you hit it with the right frequency, a particular type of blue light, it'll actually start growing like crazy in your body and actually can overwhelm your body pretty quickly. And so they can do that with the satellites they have going around the planet now. They can hit us with any frequency they want, cause this Morgellons to start growing in us pretty rapidly. Actually, they could change our DNA with it and change us with it pretty quickly. In fact, they could probably kill us with it if they wanted to. So it's been infected everybody. But let me tell you how it works. What happens is they're trying to convert us all into what's called a bio-robot. This is extreme genetic engineering. It's on the fringe of science, and it's all tied together with the Morgellons and also tied together with the chemtrails. What they're doing now, they're actually able to print out human RNA and DNA. I mean, like on one of these printers. There's multiple applications to this that allows producing of light, color, and different types of emotions. This RNA has been sprayed on us.
Constant respiratory problems that are now epidemic. Is there any connection between this and the growing epidemic rates of other human diseases that are proven to be connected to highly toxic heavy metal exposure? Lab tests from around the globe have long since proven a mountain of heavy metals like aluminum, barium, and strontium are raining down on all of us. These metals are the primary elements named in climate engineering patents. Yes, this is connected to the dirty, dingy, often checkerboard striped toxic mess that we see in our skies day in and day out. If you don't believe it, it doesn't matter. You're still breathing this contamination with every breath. It's building up in your body. Several dozen lab tests from Shasta and Siskiyou counties alone, about 70 I believe, prove this beyond any shadow of a doubt. Why aren't we being told? Why don't meteorologists